Art has the power to inspire and educate. The visual arts has an obligation to inspire people beyond the subject of the arts. Specifically, art should inspire invention. Art should inspire new ways of doing things. Art should provide a path to understanding. With that in mind, the Whale Project was born. In July of 2012, Olympic College students and faculty worked together to build a life-sized baby gray whale with recycled materials and found objects. I originally had the idea to build the whale myself, but it very quickly evolved from a personal art project to a collaborative learning experience for students. The project focused on learning outcomes that build awareness for public art, educate the public on the dangers that plastics have on our marine environments, and provide students a real-world experience producing a creative product. As project director, I guided the students and faculty from art, technical design, welding, marine science, and geography in the overall direction of the project. The work started in the technical design department with the production of CAD drawings for the welding student to use when assembling the skeleton. The art students learned to oversee the production of the drawings and work with the welder for product quality and time management. Once the skeleton was complete, the art students moved it to the gallery where the remaining project construction took place. Marine science students worked with the audio-visual director to create an audio recording that provided information about the life cycle of a gray whale and the dangers that plastics and other products that we discard have on our marine environments. Geography students provided the beach debris used in the exhibit installation, as well as a fact-filled display relevant to the immediate geography and its debris. Anthropogenic debris is collected every month primarily by OC students along the shoreline of Dyes Inlet at Old Mill Park in Silverdale. In a 2-year period, an astonishing 21,064 pieces have been collected and cataloged. And that number does not include debris that did not fit into any of our recordable categories. The debris found includes plastic fragments, styrofoam, straws, cigarette lighters, cups, golf balls, rope, fireworks fragments, flower pots, and clothing. And then there's the more unusual: birdhouses, cameras, ice buckets, a vacuum cleaner hose, and teddy bears. Almost 40% of the debris consists of plastic fragments and styrofoam. This debris comes from right here. It is domestically generated, and we are directly responsible. This debris can get eaten by fish, birds, and mammals. Some animals, like whales, ingest the debris accidentally. As you can imagine, the nutritional value of debris is non-existent, and in some cases it causes intestinal blockages. Animals can also get entangled in debris, such as rope, netting, and six-pack holders. Beyond this, there is currently ongoing research into chemicals that plastics release as they decay, and there is concern about their long-term effects. The debris we collect matters. It provides information about our behavior and helps develop solutions towards a healthier environment. Also, Washington State's clean environment attracts tourists, so there is an economic reason for us to keep beaches clean. We need safe beaches that don't have syringes or bags of dog waste. Beyond that, we need to keep our waters healthy. We get our food from these waters, and it can be argued that as presumably the most powerful and intelligent animals on Earth, we have a responsibility to ensure that we take steps to limit our impact on the rest of Earth's inhabitants. Technology decided to change the world while we slept. Now it is necessary to rethink how we teach, how we learn, and how we interact. The Whale Project team had the opportunity to utilize technology as one material in their creative process for the Whale Project. By incorporating multimedia techniques, we created a work of art that includes both traditional and new media methods of construction. The new media took the form of a looped narrative recorded at OC's audio-video recording studio, as well as a blog and online gallery of photos documenting the entire process. By posting a barcode that was linked to the blog site, we were able to share thoughts and insights with visitors to the site. But mostly, technology allowed us to remain a functional group working collaboratively during a time of vacations, breaks, and incompatible schedules, all because the internet made the flow of information a 24/7 possibility. This project proves that art, science, and technology are parts of the same whole, especially as we move deeper into the 21st century. The arts exercises the skills necessary for success by teaching creative thinking and practices. It proves that learning goes beyond what the traditional classroom provides. The process of making something is a powerful experience. Making something by hand teaches discipline, perseverance, and fortitude. Learning should be an inspiring experience from the start for every student. Anything we as educators can do to make the experience of learning an inspiring one is increasingly necessary. Creative thinking is required for success in an increasingly complicated and disruptive world. It's all part of the process, part of creating something that pushes boundaries and challenges others to think deeper about themselves and the world around them. The Whale Project is our effort to both educate our students and inspire the public to make a difference.